It's up to the international level. I am quite, I'm impressed. Hi, I'm Kanchan Chander, artist. I am a painter, printmaker, I do mixed media, I do video art. So I'm just an artist. You know, I came up with a very open mind and I'm highly impressed because first of all I went into fashion and I think fashion is superb. It's very quirky, very whimsical, and I'm saying it in a positive way. I was very impressed with it. I think it's very contemporary. So, you know, the whole idea about reusing denim, I think I love that idea and I love the product which was there. I was very impressed and hoping that, you know, maybe one day I can wear one of theirs. And then I'm right now here in this interior architecture design, and this is also very impressive. I'm sure that I know the team here is very fantastic. So congratulations to the team and to Usha Patel and everybody here and the students. I think they're quite smart. As usual, the young generation is smart. I'm teaching myself and I help kids make portfolios, so I know what their mindset is. They were very helpful, very courteous, and they look very relaxed. Usually after putting up shows like this, they are a little tired, but no, there was no sign of tiredness. They were fresh, they were excited, and they looked like, you know, almost ready to enter into the professional field. That's what I like it. It's up to the international level. I am quite, I'm impressed. When I walked in, I saw two things put up there. One was something with the buttons and one was a model sort of like in wires. That itself impressed me a lot, and you know, I am a person, I go for first impression. The first impression was wow. That's all I can say about it, and I'm looking forward to it. In fact, I'm telling Usha that I would love to come and interact with your students and give a talk, or because it's important for them to also understand an artist's point of view and they can always incorporate it. So I am totally mesmerized by the whole thing. Being an artist, I would say that you should come to art shows and you might get inspired by something from the art or vice versa, or they can be inspired by you, and I wish everybody all the best.